Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mary Brown's Corner, and KFC recently announced that they are going to be building their 46th store in Jamaica out here. So we are on Constant Spring Road heading towards Manor Park. And this is the area that they call Mary Brown's Corner. So though the location was not identified in the update, it is in the area of Mary Brown's Corner. So we're going to show you some possible locations. Now on the left is the Jetor car dealership. It just opened. And over here is a facility that used to operate as a call center. So this is the prime location that the KFC store might be located at. Now coming up on the left, that is the turn to go to Mannings Hill Road. And then this is the Texaco gas station. Now on the right, they also have an open lot, which is used, there it is, as a car mart. But there are no buildings on that property. And then over here is another empty lot. There. On the left, there's an empty lot that used to be a car dealership, and on the right, there's an empty lot that nothing is on. So somewhere out here is where they will put the new store. So we're going to give you more information on this new store. A new KFC restaurant is planned for the Mary Brown's Corner area on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. Restaurants of Jamaica, the local KFC franchise operator, says the restaurant is expected to open in the first half of 2027. The new restaurant will feature a drive-through, self-service order and kiosks, delivery service, modern dining facilities, and around 50 new jobs. According to Restaurants of Jamaica, the location was selected because of the rapid residential and commercial growth along Constant Spring Road, making it easier for customers in the area to access KFC. KFC Jamaica currently operates 45 restaurants across the island. The planned Mary Brown's Corner location will become the 46th when it opens in 2027. The last three KFC restaurants opened in Jamaica. KFC Morant Bay opened early 2026, KFC Salem opened in June 2026, and KFC Black River opened last year. The expansion reflects ROJ's strategy of adding restaurants in fast-growing communities while creating jobs and improving convenience for customers across Jamaica. So that's the end of the update. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.